Hello everybody. In this video, we'll be starting the examples. Examples is solving in the chapter sets. Sets chapter we have started. So in that, from this video, we'll be starting the how to solve examples on all the topics which we have covered. Type 1. We have to state the reason why it is here LHS. There is an LHS part and RHS part. Given not equal to. Why we have to state the reason here. Okay, this is the one set, this is the one set. Two sets are given. 1, 2, 3, so on up to 10. Roster form. One set is given in the roster form and another set is given in the set builder form. So to compare both should be equal. What means both should be in a set builder or both should be in roster form. So set builder it will take time and we have to do in numbers we will be getting the answer. So we have to convert the set builder form into the roster form. Okay, this we will state the reason now. Given set, first set is 1, 2, 3, so on up to 10. Means up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is also included here. Not equal to. X says that x belongs to natural numbers. Natural numbers will be starting from 1. So one more condition is there, 1 less than x less than 10. This condition is important here. X is less than 10. X, if we take these two, x is less than 10. If we take these two, 1 is less than x. That is the conditions here. X is less than 10. So what will come? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is only now here. 1 is less than the x. Here x will take 2. 1 is less than the 2. 1 will be not included. If 1 is less than and equal to x means here in the x 1 will come. Okay, but given question is not like that. Only 1 is less than x. 1 will be not included starting from the 2. 1 is less than the 2. And x is less than 10 given. X is less than 10. Less than 10, 9. So x 10 it will not come here. So here letters, numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 to 10. Here it is starting from 2, 3, 4 to 9. Both are not equal here. Not equal sets. Here 1 is there. But here 1 is not there. So not equal. Hence what they have given is a true. We have to write is a true answer. Why? They have given us state the reasons. For that we have to write, first we have to convert the set builder to roster. In roster, if we will convert, the set will come starts from 2, 3, 4, so on up to 9. As x is less than 10 here. In the set A, already they have given in the roster form. That is 1, 2, 3 up to 10. This is the reason here. Not equal. Equal sets. Equal sets. What is the meaning of equal sets here? Elements which are in A should be in B. Equal sets. Elements A में है और B में है. A and B are equal. Order different. There should be any order. Example, LAMP is set A. Set A is LAMP, LAMP. Set B, MALP. These are the two given sets, LAMP and MALP here. P in set A it is there, here also it is there. A is there, A is there. M, L, L. All the elements in A are in B, but their order is different. L is here, but it is in the third position here. So if order is different also, but all the elements in A are in B. So A and B are equal sets. Equal sets. We can call it as equal sets here. This is the equal sets का concept है. और इस एग्जाम्पल का रीजन यही होता है, टाइप 1 का एग्जाम्पल ये है। और दूसरे वीडियोस पे हम टाइप 2 और सारे वेन डायग्राम्स में भी कैसे डिनोट करते हैं वो सब भी हम जाएंगे। थैंक यू।